How many times do we see this, folks? A guy pours his heart and soul into a woman who couldn't care less, who doesn't acknowledge his efforts, who doesn't value anything about him. And what does he get in return? Contempt, and ingratitude. It's infuriating. It's outrageous. But you know what's the worst part? It's when that man who gave so much of himself, walks away, retreats, because he simply can't take it anymore. And what happens then? She doesn't even notice. She couldn't care less. She goes on with her little life, as if nothing ever happened, as if he never existed. But today is different. Today, I won't talk about forgiveness. No, I won't talk about moving on and forgetting. Today is a day of revenge. Yes, you heard it right. Revenge. Because it's not fair, folks. It's not fair for someone to dedicate so much, to care so much, and be treated as if they're nothing. And you know what the best revenge is? It's not causing a scene. It's not bad-mouthing her everywhere. No. It's something much more subtle, much more intelligent. It's showing that you don't need her, that life goes on, and that you're capable of being happy without needing her approval. It's a silent revenge, yes. Innocent even. But it's effective. It's powerful. Because it shows that you're strong, that you don't crumble over something so trivial. So that's it. Enough of wallowing. Enough of lowering ourselves. Today is the day to change the game. Today is the day to show who's in charge. So, let's do this. Number 1, when you walk away, your worth becomes evident. To kick off this video, let's get straight to the point. You need to be ready to walk out of that woman's life. Too many guys decide to stick with a woman no matter what. They tolerate being disrespected and pretend everything's fine just to stay with her. If you really want to teach that woman a lesson, you have to be more than willing to leave. The only way she'll truly notice your worth and regret not giving you the respect you deserve is when she realizes you're gone, that you left without looking back. At first, it might seem like it doesn't matter, but wait until time passes. She'll realize she lost the benefits you offered her. And when I talk about benefits, it's not just about money and gifts, but also about the things you provided her, like your company and dedication. It's not so easy to find someone willing to do so much for her these days. Most just want to receive without giving anything in return. If she doesn't value the effort you put in for her, then leave without hesitation. And believe me, she'll start to value you from a distance. Have you ever thought about the time and energy you dedicated to that woman who doesn't acknowledge any of it? How many nights did you spend awake, thinking about how to improve her life, how to make her smile, how to show that you were by her side no matter what? And what did you get in return? Contempt and disdain. Enough already! Enough settling for scraps of affection. Enough humiliating yourself for someone who doesn't deserve even half of what you offer. It's time to make a decision. If she doesn't value you, then you must value yourself. Lift your head up, put an end to this story, and move on. Because you deserve someone who recognizes your worth. Someone who is willing to give you the same as you give. And the best revenge you can have is to become so incredible that she regrets losing you every single day of her life. So my friend, don't waste any more time. Life is too short to waste it on someone who doesn't know how to appreciate what they have by their side. Number 2, think more about yourself and less about her. The mistake that leads so many men to lose themselves along the way and end up demeaning themselves again for a woman is simply thinking too much about her. The guy walks away, retreats, but he's still there, lurking on her social media, wanting to know if she's already with someone else. When you realize that you need to distance yourself because this woman doesn't value you, you need to stop giving her so much space in your mind and focus more on your own life. A woman will only value a man when she realizes that he's no longer hanging on her every move. The guy doesn't send messages, doesn't drop hints, doesn't check her status. He simply disappears and shows complete indifference. This affects her ego, sparks her curiosity, because she'll want to know what the hell this guy is doing that he hasn't come after her like he used to. Focus on yourself, use your free time to improve, both physically and mentally. Dedicate yourself to activities that bring you joy, whether it's a hobby, a sport, or even investing in your career. When you're busy building your own happiness, you naturally let go of the obsession with her life. Furthermore, it's crucial to work on your self-esteem and self-confidence. Remember your own values and merits, and don't allow the opinion or attitudes of another person to define your self-image. You're much more than someone seeking validation from a woman who doesn't recognize your worth. By focusing on yourself, you become a better and stronger version of yourself. And when this woman realizes that you're moving forward, living your life without worrying about her, that's when she'll start to value what she lost. So invest in yourself and let your own evolution be your best revenge. Number 3, allow yourself to meet other women. A highly effective way to make a woman regret not valuing you is to show her how another woman treats you with respect. That's why you should open yourself up to dating other women, but of course, stay cool on your dates. You don't want to end up with another woman who belittles you like the first one did. If things went wrong with that woman, why not start fresh by acting right with others? Don't just sit around waiting for her to change her mind and come after you. That might never happen. Some women are only interested in taking advantage and not in establishing a real connection. So, if she can't get anything out of you anymore, she'll look for her next prey. By dating other women, you not only show the first one that you have value and are desired, but you also open up new possibilities for yourself. Meeting new people can give you new perspectives, experiences, and even help you find someone who truly values you. Furthermore, by allowing yourself to meet other women, you put yourself in a position of power. You're no longer at the mercy of the whims and disinterest of the one who didn't value you. You're taking control of your life and seeking your own happiness, regardless of her actions. So, don't waste time waiting for her to change. If she finally opens her eyes and decides to come after you, at least you won't have wasted your time waiting for her. Life is too short to get stuck in situations that don't make you happy. Number 4, don't forget your social life. Your social life can't be sacrificed amidst all this romantic confusion. Some men get so wrapped up in their relationships that they end up neglecting friends and family, living in a bubble where everything revolves around the woman. Don't sideline your social life. The best way to make that woman regret is by showing that your life continues normally and that you're still capable of having fun. If she still has any feelings for you, despite not valuing you, the happier and more fulfilled you seem, the more she'll regret it. Furthermore, maintaining an active social life is crucial for your own emotional well-being. Spending time with friends and family can provide support, distraction, and moments of joy that are essential for facing the emotional challenges of a failed relationship. Hang out with your friends, host gatherings at home, spend time with your family, and don't let your romantic problems affect your social life. Remember that you're more than just a relationship, and cultivating these other areas of your life is essential for maintaining a healthy balance and a sense of personal fulfillment. Additionally, by staying socially active, you'll also be expanding your social circle and creating new opportunities for connection and personal growth. Who knows, maybe you'll meet someone who truly appreciates everything you have to offer. So, don't neglect your social life in favor of a relationship that isn't serving you well. Prioritize your own well-being and happiness, and that alone will be a powerful lesson for that woman who failed to appreciate you. So friends, we've reached the end of this video. I hope the reflections shared here have been helpful for you. Always remember, your worth is not conditioned by how someone sees you. You're an amazing person with much to offer the world, and you deserve to be treated with respect and valued in all areas of your life. Don't forget to apply these tips on your journey. Allow yourself to meet new people, strengthen your social life, dedicate yourself to personal growth, and don't let yourself be affected by those who don't recognize your true value. And remember, the best revenge you can give to those who don't value you is to become an even better version of yourself. So keep moving forward, follow your path with determination and confidence, and never doubt your own worth. Sending you a hug, and see you later.